Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ninja Legends. To begin your epic ninja journey, you'll want to start by collecting coins and Kai from the training areas. These are crucial for your initial progress. Next, purchase your very first sword and a basic pet. These will significantly boost your stats right from the start. Don't forget to complete the initial quests, as they guide you through the game's core mechanics and offer valuable rewards. Practice your jumps and movements to navigate the world efficiently. As you progress, continuously train in various zones to accumulate even more coins and Kai. These resources are vital for your growth. Use your hard-earned currency to buy stronger swords and acquire better pets, which will enhance your combat abilities. A key strategy is to rebirth once you reach a sufficiently high level. This grants you powerful multipliers, accelerating your progress. Remember to unlock new islands and training areas for increased rewards and challenges. To truly master Ninja Legends, strategically equip multiple pets to maximize your coin and Kai gains. Focus your efforts on upgrading your best pets to their highest potential, as they provide significant boosts. Don't forget to unlock and equip powerful skills from the extensive skill tree, tailoring your abilities to your playstyle. Furthermore, actively participate in special events and challenges. These often offer exclusive rewards that can greatly enhance your ninja's power and prestige. For advanced progression, it's wise to save up your currency for legendary or mythical swords and pets, as these offer unparalleled power. Consider joining a clan to gain access to unique bonuses, participate in clan events, and enjoy social features. Make sure to utilize daily rewards and any available codes for free boosts and extra currency, giving you an edge. Finally, experiment with different pet combinations to discover optimal setups that maximize your coin and Kai generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.